Hello everyone, welcome. We're super excited to share some essential travel tips with you today. We're about to drop some serious travel knowledge on you. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-timer, these tips are going to be game changers. Listen up because we're about to break down the 10 most important things you absolutely have to do before you even think about stepping foot on that plane. From packing smart to ensuring you have all your documents in order, we've got you covered. We're talking travel hacks, pro tips, the stuff that'll make your trip smoother than a freshly paved road. Imagine breezing through airport security, knowing exactly what to pack, and having a stress-free journey. And trust us, you don't want to miss the gem of a tip we've got waiting for you at the end. It's something that could save you a ton of time and hassle, and make your travel experience truly unforgettable. So grab a pen and paper, or open up your notes app because you're going to want to jot these down. Let's dive into the first must-do thing before traveling. Research your destination thoroughly. Know the local customs, weather, and must-see spots. Next, make sure you have all your travel documents in order. This includes your passport, visas, and any necessary permits. Double-check the expiration dates and make copies just in case. Another crucial tip is to pack smart. Create a packing list and stick to it. Roll your clothes to save space and bring versatile items that can be mixed and matched. And don't forget to check your travel insurance. It's better to be safe than sorry, and having insurance can give you peace of mind in case of any unexpected events. Stay tuned for more tips, and let's make your next trip the best one yet.
First things first, grab your passport. Got it? Good. This little booklet is your ticket to the world, so treat it with care. Now check the expiration date. This is crucial. You don't want to be caught off guard. Seriously, do it right now. If your passport is expiring soon, you might need to renew it before your trip. You need at least 6 months before it expires. Airlines can be sticklers about this. They might not even let you board if your passport is too close to its expiration date. Next up, the visa. Don't assume you don't need one. Visas are essential for many countries, and the requirements can vary widely. Every country has different rules. Some places offer visas on arrival, while others require you to apply months in advance. Jump online, do a quick search for your destination visa requirements, and make sure you're all squared away. Check official government websites or trusted travel resources for the most accurate information. The last thing you want is to be denied entry at the border. Imagine planning your dream vacation only to be turned away because of a missing visa. It's a nightmare scenario, but easily avoidable with a bit of preparation. So double-check everything, pack your documents safely, and travel with peace of mind. Happy travels!
All right, let's talk travel insurance. We know, it sounds boring. But trust us, this is huge. We're talking about protecting ourselves from the unexpected. Imagine this. We get sick, our flight gets canceled, our luggage decides to go on its own adventure. Travel insurance has our back. It can save us a ton of money and stress in the long run. Let's not be those people kicking ourselves for skipping this step.
Now for the fun part, researching our destination. This is where we get to dive deep into the culture, the food, the hidden gems. Let's learn a few basic phrases in the local language. It goes a long way. We'll figure out the transportation system, scope out the must-see spots, and find those local restaurants that'll blow our taste buds away. The more we know, the more we'll appreciate our trip. Chapter 4. Book it. Accommodations and transportation. With your research done, it's time to lock things down. Book your accommodations, hotels, hostels, Airbnbs, whatever floats your boat. And don't forget your transportation. Flights, trains, rental cars, figure out how you're getting around. Pro tip: booking in advance often gets you better prices and more options. Don't wait until the last minute. Chapter 5. Pack smart. Less is more. Packing. The eternal struggle. Our advice? Pack light. Seriously, you'll thank us later. Make a list of the essentials: clothes, medications, chargers, adapters, travel documents, and stick to it. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space. And remember, you can always buy things you forget at your destination. Don't overpack.
Chapter 6. Alert your bank. Avoid the travel hassle. This one's quick but crucial. Call your bank and let them know you'll be traveling. Give them your dates and destination. This prevents your cards from getting blocked for suspicious activity. Nobody wants to be stuck in a foreign country with no access to their money. It's a quick call, but it can save you a major headache.
Chapter 7. Copy that. Listen up. This is important. Make copies of all your important documents. Your passport, visa, driver's license, travel insurance, everything. Keep one set in your carry-on and another set back at home with someone you trust. In case of loss or theft, having copies will be a lifesaver. Trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. Now for the exciting part, planning our itinerary. Let's not go overboard with a minute-by-minute schedule, but have a rough idea of what we want to do each day. Research attractions, book tours, reserve tables at restaurants. A little planning goes a long way. This ensures we don't miss out on anything amazing and helps us make the most of our time.
Before you jet off, check the health requirements for your destination. Some countries require specific vaccinations or medications. Visit your doctor, get the necessary shots, and make sure you're up to date on all your routine vaccinations. It's always better to be prepared when it comes to your health.
Last but not least, prepare your home for your absence. Ask a friend or neighbor to collect your mail, water your plants, and keep an eye on things. Set up automatic lights or timers to deter burglars. Coming home to a well-maintained house after an amazing trip, that's the best feeling ever.
Boom! There you have it. 10 must-do things before you travel. These steps are essential to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. From making a checklist to planning your itinerary, every detail counts. Now you're primed and ready for your next adventure. Remember, preparation is key. Whether you're heading to a bustling city or a serene countryside, being well prepared can make all the difference. Do your research, pack smart, and stay safe. Look up your destination, understand the local customs, and make sure you have all necessary documents. Packing efficiently can save you a lot of hassle on the road. And now, for that special tip I promised, always pack a portable charger. In today's digital age, staying connected is crucial, whether it's for navigation, staying in touch with loved ones, or capturing memories. Trust me, your phone battery will thank you. Imagine being in a new place and your phone dies. Not fun. A portable charger can be a lifesaver. In the description you will find a link to a good quality portable charger. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.